Hi, Milorad here. Today is kind of lazy Sunday, and we decide to cook. Actually, our friend will cook for us today, and she will cook Huevos Turcos or Turkish eggs. This dish is very common in Central America. Ingredients needed for Huevos Turcos are huevos or eggs, and we have 2, 4, 6, 8 eggs here. And then we have tomatoes, very important. We have 4 Roma tomatoes, and then we have a couple small tomatoes from my garden. We have some sweet small peppers. We have 1 jalapeno, just to give a little bit of kick. We have onion, garlic, and then we have some basil leaves from my garden and 1 stalk of thyme. And that's all ingredients that we need to have for Huevos Turcos. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready to make a video about our friend cooking Huevos Turcos, and then of course I will eat them, and I'm sure enjoy them as well. Okay, ready to cook? Actually, I will prepare everything for our friend. We have a water that is already boiling, and I will just put these eggs in. And this is the way actually to put eggs into boiling water. If I use only my hands, they will probably break because I will drop them from a little bit higher. But now using this spoon, I can nicely put them in. Okay, 2 more, and 1 more. And my wife will prepare other ingredients like onions, just cut them in the smaller pieces. And what do we do with the tomatoes?
Also gotta cut it.
Also cut them.
Yeah.
Do we need to peel them?
No.
Skin?
No.
No.
I'm gonna wait for her to tell me what to do with it.
Tomatoes are getting cut. Because these tomatoes, onions and peppers, they are used actually to saute them and make almost like a salsa. Am I right?
Yeah.
The smaller pieces, the easier and faster it is to cook. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Tomatoes goes with onions that we already cut. Those peppers, they are just regular sweet mini peppers, but you can use any kind of pepper. Peppers are cut, go in, and now finally we have this garlic. Okay. And now we are cutting this jalapeno pepper on our titanium board, cutting board, titanium, that I recently bought. Is that jalapeno too big?
Yeah, I only put half because I don't want it too spicy.
Okay. Half jalapeno. Some oil in that cut vegetables, olive oil.
Yeah.
And we will also put some vegeta. Vegeta is all-purpose seasoning, mostly salt, but some dehydrated vegetables as well. And our huevos or eggs are almost ready. Some black pepper and salt will come from vegeta. We don't need extra salt, at least not for now.
You want to cut more tomato?
You kind of need to mash them a little bit.
Yeah,
Yeah, to make the
salsa.
sauce.
Okay. Because these Roma tomatoes were not really
Juicy.
totally ripe, or they are not juicy. And also we will add a little bit of chicken stock because those tomatoes, and we will add tomato sauce because those Roma tomatoes were kind of not ripe enough, and that's why we need to add a little bit of kind of liquid.
I think that's enough.
Yeah.
Okay. Now it has a little bit better color, huh?
Yeah.
It was kind of too pale.
Well, yeah.
Are eggs ready? Oh, little taste. Is it good?
They're good.
Okay.
A little spicy too.
From jalapeno.
From the jalapeno. Did you put the semilla now?
I put everything in it. But I only put half jalapeno.
Ah, no, pero la semilla no la sacas.
No. Trabajo aquí.
Pero sabes que la semilla es la que pica.
Smelling good, huh?
Yeah. How about cheese? I put cheese on top.
Teaspoon of
No, that's not
apple cider vinegar with mother. Okay, we're putting some ice in the eggs and water as well. It's almost like ice bath. And will also help actually peeling them. Okay, now those eggs are peeled, and they're hard-boiled eggs, and they're going to be cut in half. Each one. That means we will have 16 pieces. Yeah, we boiled 8 eggs. That's a lot, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. That's a lot of eggs.
Now come over here.
And now we will just put them on this salsa. You put them yolk down. Ah, looks pretty, huh? Can you put at least one or two that we can see the yolk? No? Okay. Now we will add basil, just for decoration and color.
Now cheese.
And cheese that we just grated, and it's Colby cheese, I think.
Yeah, okay. And first,
Okay. And that's it, huh?
Espérame, me falta algo.
now we're gonna cover it.
And cook more?
You made the cheese melted.
Oh, okay. That's too big, is it?
Yeah,
Too big.
get that one. Yeah,
Yo quería que viera cuando el cheese está melted, pero no.
Now we will just cover this and cook it just long enough for cheese to melt. Okay, our huevos turcos are ready. See how that cheese actually melted? Almost you cannot even see it.
It's really good.
Okay. When are we going to eat?
now,
Now,
And also we will use tortillas. That's usually how they eat these huevos turcos. Except myself, I will use the bread. My plate is coming. Ooh. Is it good? Okay. And of course, tortillas are coming.
tortilla. Hondureñas comen tortillas.
Okay, and how do you wrap it, or you just kind of dip it?
Dip it.
Okay. Okay. Is it good?
Delicious.
Delicious. Okay. Ready to taste huevos turcos. Okay, and I have a piece of ciabatta bread that I'm going to use. Piece of raw jalapeno. I love it. It's really, really good. Very creamy eggs, and this salsa, of course. It reminds me actually of shakshuka dish that is made in Middle East or North Africa, and also satarash that is actually made in my country, but we just don't use eggs in it, but it's practically same way of cooking. I like it a lot. Huevos turcos, or Turkish eggs, dish that our friend cooked for us. Thank you very much. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Milorad, out to finish all these Huevos Turcos.